Hi, I'm Brian. In this video, I'll walk you through how I build my Arduino Audio Reactive bulb meter. This system captures audio from a desktop application and sends it to an Arduino over serial, allowing light bulbs to react in real time. So let's get started. Here are the essential components and tools you'll need: an Arduino Uno male-to-female jumper wires, an 8-channel solid-state relay module, some wires and cable ties, bulb sockets, screws, a wooden base to hold the bulbs, and 8 5-watt bulbs, 3 blue, 3 green, and 2 red. You'll also need a project enclosure, heat shrink tubing or electrical tape, and a screwdriver to fasten the bulbs and relay. Optional tools including a soldering iron, solder, and a wire stripper. Finally, you'll need a 220-volt plug with its wire. First, connect the Arduino to your computer and upload the source code. You can find all the project files including the schematic diagram and desktop application in the video description. Next, connect the jumper wires to the inputs of 8-channel solid-state relay module along with the DC power supply, following the schematic. Now, plug the Arduino back in. To test the system, play some music and open the application. Click the Refresh Port button, then select the correct Arduino port to connect. The selected audio device will be set as the default, and you can turn on the audio visualizer. If everything is working, the relay's built-in LED will light up to indicate activity. Now it's time to strip the wires and connect them to the bulb sockets. Each socket has a cover that needs to be removed so the wires can pass through. I carefully removed mine using a small saw. After that, I screwed all the bulb sockets onto the wooden base. Since all my wires are white, I labeled each one using masking tape to identify the corresponding relay output channel. Next, I use cable ties to organize the wires neatly. I made holes in the enclosure using a soldering iron so I could plug in the Arduino and route the bulb wires through. Then I stripped the wires and soldered leads onto them to prevent copper corrosion before connecting them to the relay module. Next, I cut 4 pairs of 4-inch wires to connect to the relay module for the common connections. I used the soldering iron again to make a hole for the wires going through the electrical plug. Before soldering the terminals, I slip on heat shrink tubing for insulation. Now it's time to connect the 2 terminal wires to the electrical plug. Next, install the bulbs into their sockets. Please be careful and avoid touching any exposed terminals while the system is powered on. You can add insulation for extra safety if needed. Notice I didn't glue the Arduino and relay so I can reuse them for the future projects. Finally, plug everything in and test the system.
Fill me out with your smile. Now the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame. I will let you in this game. Take me out when I'm down. 'Cause with you I'm safe and sound. 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 Bring that beat back.
And that's it for this project. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.